friends. I'm just hanging out in the kitchen, having some coffee. But since you're here, we might as well meet our new letter friend. What do you think? Do you think that we should say hi to our letter friends that we've already met, just so they don't feel left out? Let's do it. Can you help me figure out their sounds? I know you know them pretty well by now. Let's see. What does the mama P say? You're right. Pa, 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 pa. The P says pa. What about her baby B? You know this one too. Baby B says ba, 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 ba. Very good. And what about this friend? The tapping T. The tapping T says ta, 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 ta. Tap those feet for our ta, ta, tapping T. What about his noisy friend, the drumming D? What does he say? You're right. Da, 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 da. He drums on his belly, that silly drumming D. But then, what about our fire dragon F? You're right. Blow that fire out with saying and then, his noisy friend, the vampire V, what does he say? Yes, he gets in his van and goes all around town. But next, our Kid K with his tie too tight. Loosen it for him, will ya? And our gulping G, what does she say when she's drinking her grape juice? You're right. G for our G. And then our very first superstar vowel, superstar. What does he say? You're right. The A says ah, just like we're taking a bite of an apple. And our second superstar vowel, O. You're right, the baby O. Feed the baby. Ah, get your spoon. Ah, you're right. Well then, today's letter, this is the letter M, our letter N friend. Look at this. What do we see? I see lips closed. Let's make sure our lips are closed and make the sound Now you. Let's do it together. Let's see if we can hold our noses while we make that sound. Ready? Oh, well that didn't work. That must mean this is a nose sound. This is coming from our nose. Look at this nose. That's a big old nose. And do you know what he smells? Cookies. And when he smells those cookies, he says, You try. I love cookies just as much as this nose does. The M says, What does the M say? Very good. Can we look around this room and find anything that starts with the letter M? Let's see. I see some milk on the table over there. Do you see that? Let's try and say milk. It does have the sound at the beginning. We found one thing that starts with M. Milk. Let's look for something else. Do you see anything? Look over there. I see a piece of mail. Do you see that? Let's say that together. Mail. Yes, mail starts with the letter M. Mail. Let's find something else. Look in the corner. There's a mouse. A mouse starts with the letter M. Mouse. Let's look for something else. Right next to the milk, I see a mug. A mug. Mug starts with the letter M. Can you say mug? Great job. Let's keep looking. Do you see anything? Over there in the corner, I see a mop. Do you see it? Mop. Go ahead and say that. Mop. A mop starts with the letter M. Gosh, there's a lot of M words in this room, isn't there? Okay, let's see. What else can we see? Over there, I see a pair of mittens. Do you see those mittens? They go on our hands to keep our fingers warm. Mittens starts with the letter M. Wow. Anything else? Whoa. I see one more thing that starts with the letter M. Do you see that map? Whoa, I wonder where that map will lead. Can you say map? Very good. We found so many words that start with the M. Our lowercase m has a straight line down and two curves. Can you make that in the air? Straight line down and two curves. Yes. Our uppercase M looks like this. Do you see the difference? The uppercase M has points. The lowercase m has curves. We'll talk more about the uppercase M later in the year. Right now, our lowercase m friend is smelling some cookies, and what does he say? Very good.